Hello viewers, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is now available at an unbelievable price of just 34,249 rupees on Amazon.in. If you have HDFC credit card, in that case you will get 5,750 rupees cashback. Many users are asking me whether they can buy this tablet right now or they should wait. Starting with the display. This is where Tab S9 truly shines. It comes with a gorgeous dynamic AMOLED 2X panel that easily one of the best in its price range. Colors look rich, contrast are stunning. And whether you are watching Netflix, YouTube or any other OTT platforms, multimedia consumption will be a treat to the eyes. And we all know that Samsung's tunings makes the display perfect for movie lovers, content consumers and even creators who edit videos or illustrate things. As it comes with AMOLED display, you will instantly notice the difference compared to LCD display. Tab S9 packs a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This chip is super efficient and handles everything smoothly, from gaming to multitasking and video editing. You can easily use Samsung Dex mode to turn it into a mini desktop setup, connect a mouse or keyboard, get productive fast. Plus, if you are a student, in that case you can take notes on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. With the use of S Pen, you can do many productive tasks. You can write, sketch, annotate PDFs or create artwork right out of the box without spending any extra amount. The S Pen feels natural, accurate and adds a creative dimension to your daily use. Battery backup is another strong point of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. You will easily get a full day of moderate usage. Streaming, browsing, note-taking, everything runs smoothly on this tablet. And with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, you will get regular software updates. Update cycle of Samsung is very smooth, so you don't have to worry about regular software update. Now, should you buy this tablet right now or you should wait? This is the most important question of this video. The answer is yes. The price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is generally above 40,000 rupees, and in this sale you are getting this at around 34,000 rupees. That is an excellent deal, I would say. The price of this tablet will again increase after this Diwali sale. So if you don't buy this now, you have to wait for another sale, maybe Christmas sale or Republic Day sale. I think in this price bracket, this is an excellent buy. If you have HDFC credit card, only then you can avail the discount. So if you have been waiting for the right time to upgrade or buy your first flagship Android tablet, this is it. Grab the deal before it's gone. I have added the best buy link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech deals and reviews, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.